What did I tell you? What did I say to you? I said buy the road map and leave.
Yeah. How much you want for that hooch, Pete?
Oh, $650.
Jesus Christ. You bucking for early retirement?
Shit, yeah.
What is that about?
You signaled the Ranger.
I did it! You gotta believe me, I did it! You stop it! What the fuck is your problem? God damn it! Let's go! That means you believe me. Yes, I believe you. You should, because I'm right. Richie! Yeah? You okay? He shot me in the fucking hand!